Welcome back to another video. We're gonna hop straight into it. Anyways, today we will be talking. Let me fix this shit. Today we will be talking about this new package I received. Anywho, through FedEx. Not that it matters. Anyways, let's go ahead and straight up open this. This was ordered from BMS. Good. Oh, OCC oil cash can. Oh, this is really nice. So it's almost like a whole ass kit, which is pretty dope. Anyways, straight to opening it. Oh, wow. This is really well done. I didn't think it was gonna be like this. Anyways, hopefully you guys can see the layout without anything falling. Wow, this is pretty dope. Keep oil out of your intake. Oil cash can OCC, made in the USA. Obviously, this is for my car, which is the N55 engine. This is dope. Wow, I did not expect this at all. So here I have their website or webpage pulled up. Anyways, here they claim to have increased air intake efficiency, and it promotes engine longevity, which makes sense, catching all the blow-by oil. Non-clogging air and oil separation, as you guys, I showed you the baffle. So they also claim to have free flow, solid, no restriction design. So the same thing with the baffle. Retains factory fully closed loop of PCV operation, which I was talking about as well with the tubing. So that's nice. It says stealth mounting on cool side of the motor. So that means I believe it's on the left side if it's talking about the cool side. Anodized black aluminum, so you guys can see the whole thing. Then they recommend to simply unscrew the base every 3 to 6 months, or even the drain plug for the oil to drain. We will be installing this later, but I do want to contact BMS because this mounting, you know, it's a pretty nice, cool idea, but like, I don't know if you guys can see, but that thing is beat up and I literally just received it. So it's all scratched up. See if I can give you guys a better view. So yeah, see, and it doesn't look the best. Like, yeah, the branding is nice, but all these other little imperfections, like one or two, I don't think I'd really mind, but it almost looks like if it was already used. And it just looks, I don't know, you know, all the little stuff adds up and it just creates one big, you know, mess. So I will be contacting them. Here is the website anyways. So there it is. So anyways, that's it for today. I'll catch you guys when I'm actually putting it on, and we will be testing this on the track. So we'll be testing it daily use and as well as the track, because I will be driving the E92 a little bit on the street. That's it for now, guys. I'll catch you guys when we put it back on, and yeah. What's going on, guys? Here's the update on the catch can. Anyways, we're gonna go ahead and straight, you know, jump into it. Anyways, they sent me a new bracket. So these are the 3 brackets I received from them. So this is the second one they sent me. This was for an F30. And then I was like, oh, I need an E90 one. So they sent me this one. And I did not like this one too much because it was very, you know, the scratches were very noticeable. That was the only problem with mine. This one is, you know, a little bit better in condition, but overall, pretty good. Anyways, so what we have to do basically, we can go ahead and take this cover off, and we should have access to the PCV valve, then in which we will install this little bracket, and it goes just like that, I believe, or if it's not, just like this, and it hoses this way, and our catch can will be mounted, I believe, right here on the on this side of the coolant area. You'll see me install this later, and after that we'll be taking this car back to the track and actually testing, you know, how efficient or how much oil this catch can really catch. So I'll catch you guys when we're back working on the car. I would right now, but it is smoking hot after I just took it on a drive. So I'll see you guys later. All right, ladies and gentlemen, this is the next morning. We are back. We are back, and we're gonna start putting this catch can on. So relatively easy to install, really. You gotta remove this and put the catch can over there. You guys will see when I install it. So yeah. Oh, sick. All right, engine cover comes off. So I believe you just gotta take this bolt off in this corner right here of the coolant, and that is where it stays. So let's go ahead and do that. But first, we should mount the actual catch can onto the bracket. Go ahead and take this bolt off. And I believe it might be a 10. Should come off. Yep, there we go. Put that off to the side. Now, you should just be able to lift this up, shimmy this in. So we have the bracket in place. Might need some more light. Then I would leave everything relatively loose, just so you can still fidget with it and make sure you have it as you like. Now we will be installing this, I don't even know how, this adapter, I guess you would call this fitting. And it goes right here and basically replaces this whole fitting slash sensor. So to undo this, you have to remove these clips right here and as well as these two bolts. Okay, set them off to the side. Go ahead and probably remove this hose first, so it's easier just to there we go. So as you guys can see, that this fitting pretty much resembles this right here. Hopefully you guys can see. Only really goes one way. So once you got it lined up, go ahead and put your screws back on. Just pretty much make them snug. There's no reason to go extremely hard. The fitting has a gasket in, so it doesn't really need to be extremely tight. Then what you have next are your two hoses. This is the one where you might need to cut, most likely. And this one is pre-cut so that you don't have to cut at all. It just directly fits in and you'll see where. So it is meant to be pre-made because one side of the tubing is way bigger than the other one in diameter. So it should fit in like so, right here on the in outlet, and then it goes onto where the PCV valve was. And then this one just needs to route like so right there. So we can go ahead and just start with this one. Loop it under the coolant line. And then go ahead and put it onto this valve. And I was saying to you guys that this was literally made so that you wouldn't have to need to cut it at all. So literally just snugs in right there and snugs in over here. After you eyeballed it and measured it, you just want to go ahead and cut your hose. It's okay to cut a little extra more just to be safe. So there I have my little cut. Go ahead and test fit this. Alright, one quick tip. If you guys didn't know, a really good source of like lube or something to help you slip it on, a good way or method of using is your own saliva. So just go ahead and give a literally the easiest way, and it does dry up very fast, so kind of just want to use it. Woo-wee. Okay, just like that. Should be able to tighten it back up. Our catch can is officially on. Woo! So just like that, ladies and gentlemen, there is our catch can all routed. As you can see, that is not going anywhere. As you can see, it's a little loose there, which is fine because this should not have enough pressure to the point where it will pop off. So there is no need for clamps or anything like that. So there is no need for clamps to hold it down since it won't pop off. But other than that, we're all good. You guys can see I am currently heading over to somewhere We're gonna go give this car a wash. We're gonna go ahead and give this car a wash. We got track day today. It's gonna be sick. It's gonna be fun. So I want to give this car a little bit more clean before we take it to the track. Also need to fill up on gas because there is no 93 over there. But a full tank does me well, so I don't need to bring any extra gas or anything like that. But yeah, better go to get a car wash real quick, fill up on gas, come back home, and get ready to go. I have a GoPro I'll be mounting in the back windshield facing forward, or even maybe right here so you guys can see the track. But yeah, I got a GoPro with the cup mount, so that'll be sick to see. So I'll catch you guys at the track. All right guys, we're at the track right now. Got my buddy Zach driving over there. You guys see the Beamer. So see how this goes.
Yeah, it should work pretty good. I need to slide it back. Good. That hook's pretty good too for not having slicks on it.
Right.
That suspension's got to be a big part of that.
Oh yeah, the suspension plays a big role. Pull it twice.
Cool. Let it cool down, huh?
Yeah.
What's up guys, it is that time now. We're gonna be checking this catch can. So officially, see if I have my keys. All right, now that we have the keys, to shorten it up, basically, damn, there's a shit ton of birds outside, you can probably hear. Anyways, here's the car. So this car has been through 2 track days and normal driving. Jesus. So it should have at least a bit, or quite a, or maybe, I don't even know, maybe half. But we'll see how much oil there is into this catch can. It is blazing hot out here. Okay, very dirty engine bay. Anyways, there is our catch can. We're just gonna go ahead and take these 2 bolts off, let it come out, and then we'll be able to unscrew it. But it is hot. So we'll go ahead and do it anyways. Unscrew, and we do this real quick. Now after we take this bolt off, the bracket will be free, in which we can slide out. Just shimmy it off. So now we have access to this whole catch can like that. And now we're just gonna unscrew the bottom. Now that we have it out, you can take a look over here, and there's quite literally, see if we can get it in better. I guess there's some stuff. See, I'm gonna get it with this towel, see if we can get anything. Coming down here to look again, see, now it's clean. Had a little bit of stuff, hard to tell, but not too much. But you know, can't really go wrong with a catch can, you know. It's not gonna do any damage. It's gonna help you if anything was to occur, you know. So it's good to have it on there. Anyways, that's pretty much it for you guys. Thank you guys for watching. If you guys want more installs like this, just subscribe to the channel. We're gonna have more shit coming, so stay tuned. So yeah, catch you guys later.